Hey guys, it's Ro. Welcome to another Nerd and Nummies. Today I'm hanging out with my friend Donald and his adorable baby Noah.
You mean my baby shark, Noah?
Yes, that's right. We are going to be making a baby shark themed cake today. Now, if you don't know what baby shark is, this is a beloved internet thing.
It is an obsession.
It is so cute. If you guys are new to my channel, Donald is a fellow foodie. Okay, not only that, but what else can we find on your channel?
Oh, basically weeknight meals, quick, easy dinners, all the food,
Yum.
loads of beautiful baking as well. Not as good as Rose, but still, I like to think up there.
Yeah, and some cute family stuff.
Yes, we've started doing a little
cute
bit of
family stuff.
vlogging as well. So, you know.
Most adorable family ever. I'm gonna be putting his links down below. Go check him out, subscribe, show him some love. Also, if you love Nerdy Nummies, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video.
Yes.
Now, Donald, you know how to do it on Nerdy Nummies.
I sure do.
Put that hand up. Let's get started. Let's get started. Let's get started. The recipe that we're making today is a banana cake recipe, and I will be putting all of the ingredients and their measurements down below in the description. So the first thing that we're gonna do in a large mixing bowl is we're gonna cream together the butter and the sugar.
Nice.
So we're just gonna pour in the sugar, boop, and then your butter. Also, you'll want your butter to be at room temperature, just makes it easier to cream. Now, using an electric hand mixer, mix together your butter and sugar. You want it to be until it's light and fluffy. And while I'm doing this, Donald, you've got 3 bananas over here in a medium-sized bowl and like a potato masher.
Yes.
So I'm gonna have you mash up the bananas while I'm mixing this.
I'm on it.
Okay, me
And you
too.
can do this with a fork as well, couldn't you?
Yeah, you can use a fork. All right.
I like how easy this is. You've got kind of like
Look at
nice
that.
little sections. It's good.
I made it a banana cake recipe because baby shark is yellow, so I thought a banana cake recipe would be perfect. Like the color matches the flavor, but also babies can eat bananas. It's one of the soft foods, like when they move into solid foods that they
Yes,
that
true.
they
And
really
the
enjoy.
little
Look
known
at us.
fact of the world of nature is that a banana is the shark's favorite food.
Yes. Add the mashed banana into the butter and sugar.
You mean the shark food?
Yes, the shark food.
Perfect, yep.
Now, we've got our butter and sugar and mashed banana. We add the rest of our wet ingredients. So, Donald, I'm gonna have you add the oil right in there, and then 2 eggs, the full egg, the yolk and the white.
Lovely, straight in.
A little bit of vanilla extract.
Lovely. Ooh, that was very nice. I like that.
I just love it. Oh, yeah. All right, then we're gonna mix together until well combined. All right, Donald, I'm
Do
gonna
I
have
get to
you
mix?
Yeah, on a medium speed.
Oh.
Mix together until well combined.
Ooh. Okay, this looks pretty good.
That's good, that's good. Now, Donald, we've got some dry ingredients over here.
Yes.
And you cook a lot, you bake a lot, so I'm gonna let you guess the next step.
So,
'cause I think you know it.
Okay, well I have done this once or twice, so yes, okay, I feel the power, I can do this.
Yes.
Plain flour.
Yes.
We're gonna add a little bit of salt.
Yes.
And a little bit of baking soda.
Yes.
Nice. Okay, this
Boom.
goes in.
This is a professional right
Telling
here.
you. And the good thing about using baking soda is that you're going to get the reaction because you've got the wet ingredients and it's all going to give you this gorgeous little rise. This is fantastic.
This is why when 2 foodies hang out, it's almost like we're telepathic. Like he knows what to do, I know what to do. We both know what each other are doing.
What are you thinking right now? What are you thinking right now? What are you thinking?
I am thinking whisk together until well combined, and then pour the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients.
That's exactly it. See,
Are we
this
on the
is
same page?
we're like telepathically going right there, right now. Okay, so we've got baking powder, salt, and plain flour all going straight in.
Go in.
And are we gonna fold that in, or are we gonna mix it through?
We're gonna mix it up.
Okay, let's
Why?
mix it up.
Saves time.
Saves time.
Boom.
I love it.
Ready? We're gonna do it on a low speed to begin, so you don't get a big poof dust cloud, and then we're gonna move it up to a medium speed. And I'm gonna work all this flour in. Just keep mixing until all the flour is combined.
Lovely. Oh, we're mixing.
almost there.
Okay, wow. So this is a gentle fold of the flour into the wet.
Yeah, real gentle.
I got it.
Oh my goodness. Cake batter is ready. It is time to bake in front of me. Donald's got the batter.
Yep,
And
the batter.
I have got the cake pans. These are the ones from my baking line. And together, see, they make a little ball. But you can't just bake them in the oven like this. Otherwise, look at that. The batter's gonna spill out, and as it's baking, it's not gonna be even. So we have these little silicone rings, and you just place them down. and you stick it on top.
So clever.
So we'll hold it in place while it bakes.
Okay.
Using the eyeballing technique, divide the batter in half.
Okay. Do you kind of use one eyeball over the other, or is it both of them?
You want me to do a challenge?
What, like keep the eyeball open?
Boom, one's closed. How about that?
Do it. Get in there, girl.
You too.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, one eyeball, divide it in half.
Okay, we're good.
And kind of go for it.
Yeah.
This is
Have
like
you got one eyeball still?
My depth perception is
totally thrown.
Totally thrown off.
Hang on, you've used all the batter in that one.
Okay, go to this
Use the
one.
other. Hang on.
Go to this one. Did we get it?
Use the other eyeball. Okay.
I gotta get closer.
We're in. This is looking
Boom.
good.
These little banana cakes are ready to bake. You're gonna pop them in the oven at 350 degrees and bake for about 35 minutes.
Well, I'll go do that now.
Thanks.
Where's the oven? Oh, it's over there. Oh, it's down here.
Oh,
Okay,
down
we're
here,
going down
down
here.
here.
We're going down here. So our cakes have baked. We've had some time to cool, both us and the cakes, and now we're ready to decorate.
Yes. Okay. So the first thing that we need to do is stack our cakes and ice them.
Okay.
So to do that, because it's a rounded edge, you need it to sit flat. So you can either use a cake leveler or a sharp knife, whatever you have at home. So just like this. So I'm gonna get it started so you can see what we want to do.
This is so good.
Just work it around.
Okay.
See, and then I'm gonna have you do the other side with the knife.
Okay.
So if someone doesn't have a cake level, they can use a knife.
Nice.
Just like this, just be careful, don't get your fingers.
But you know what? I actually think you get so much better consistency if you use that.
This
Do
one?
you know what I mean? Like it gives you like the perfect straight edge. And then you get to eat this bit later.
Does it?
Or can we try it?
It looks like banana bread, you guys.
Oh.
Does it taste like a little bit sweeter?
That is so good.
So Donald, you're gonna flip that upside down.
Okay.
We're just sticking it on top of a turntable to make things a little bit easier to ice.
Okay.
Now, the next thing that we're gonna do is put a little bit of icing on the top of the cake. So Donald, I'm gonna do this part.
Turn
So
it.
you pipe an outline.
Okay.
And then you're gonna fill it in, a big zigzag.
Do I get the seal of row approval?
Yes, ding! You get a baking point.
Yay!
You did a great job.
I didn't know there was baking points to be received.
Now,
Okay.
take your offset spatula, put gentle pressure on the top, and give it a spin. Just like that. Now we've got to take the top of the cake,
Okay.
and we have to line it up. This is the hard part.
Okay.
Because you don't want a lopsided shark.
Okay. No, this is true. You never want a lopsided shark.
If you do have a lopsided shark, it isn't the end of the world. It can just be a special shark, like Finding Nemo special. Okay, we're gonna start to frost. Donald, you take this one, and you're gonna pipe starting at the bottom, and then work your way about halfway up. Time to frost, 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 frost. Time to frost, 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 frost. You just want to get the icing on the cake. It doesn't need to look perfect right now.
Not perfect? Don't worry, I've got that
Don't
covered.
worry about it. Before we smooth it out, we're gonna put on yellow, and the reason I do this is because these cakes and this recipe bakes really well that there's not a lot of crumbs.
Okay.
If this was a very crummy recipe, I would probably do a crumb coat and then let it sit, but here we don't really need it. Okay, so Donald, will you spin for me?
Yeah, I'm spinning.
Okay, and I'll just keep applying pressure.
Okay.
And we're just gonna go all the way around. Just keep making rings.
I love
all
the
way
yellow
around.
color.
Isn't that pretty?
It's so like the video.
Tried to match it to look like Baby Shark's color.
It's true. Okay. Do you want me to
Okay.
keep spinning? No, you've got it.
Boom.
Okay, boom,
Okay.
love it.
Ready to smooth.
Okay.
Using offset spatula, it's hard to put frosting back on
Right.
if you go too thin. So you're just gonna be very gentle.
I'm going to step away from this situation
I'm gonna
and
have-
let you do this.
So you're gonna spin for me though.
Oh, I'm gonna spin.
It's gonna
Okay,
be
okay.
teamwork. And I am
spinning.
applying very delicate pressure.
Delicate
Pressure.
do 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 do. Delicate
And
pressure.
it doesn't
do,
need
do,
to
do,
be
do, do.
perfectly smooth the first couple times around. You can just keep spinning and it will get smoother and smoother as time goes on. This is my favorite
Oh,
part,
oh,
when they come together.
oh.
Look at the blending of
Yes.
the lines.
Look at the blending of the lines. Do
Isn't
do
it
do 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 do.
beautiful? Look at this, you guys. Pro. Baking points. The bottom is the most difficult part. So I
Okay.
like to flip, instead of going this way,
Oh, yeah.
I like to flip it this way.
Pro tip.
Just because it tucks under and really gently, again, run it around a couple times. Okay, now it is time for my favorite part. It is time to decorate. Here are the little fondant pieces that I made. And fondant is really fun and easy to work with. It's like edible Play-Doh. I don't know any other way to describe it. It's very thick icing. And we've got 2 eyeballs. These are for the nose.
The nose. I
Yeah,
love
the
this.
little
This is so
nostrils.
perfect. I love it. Okay.
And then these cute little mouths.
For eating bananas.
Yeah, for eating bananas. And then Donald, what do you got over there? Those
So,
are fins.
We've got the fins. I think this is the back fin. We've got the side fin, and then we've got the little cute top fin as well. I love that these have the little cocktail sticks, so we can stick them straight in, right?
Yeah, when making the fins, you roll out the yellow fondant, you shape them to look like the fins, and you can really get creative. You can make it look however you'd like. You can do big fins or little fins.
Mommy shark, baby
Mommy
shark,
shark,
grandma
baby
shark.
And to make it a little easier, like Donald pointed out, there are toothpicks. You want to stick in the toothpick while the fondant is still soft. And then I've left these out for hours. These have sat out overnight because fondant will harden as it sits out. So that's why I made these before and we didn't do them today because otherwise the fin would look like this. Okay, where should we start? The eyes? We should do the face first.
Let's do the face.
All right,
okay.
Donald,
I'll
model
hold this.
the face. Let me see here.
Okay.
And I'm just gonna add a little bit of icing on the back of these fondant pieces. If your buttercream is still...
I was doing the face to see if
you holding this
Yes, the entire time and you didn't turn around. But I thought it might give you some inspiration. That's how the baby shark looks. She looks kind of,
Okay, look you guys. We've got eyes.
Yeah, can you do it? Let me see, hang on. And you do the faces? Yes! Okay, yeah, I can see it now. I can see it now.
Where's he looking this way?
He's kind of, yeah, one eye, yeah. Now you've got the eyes. Perfect, perfect, okay. I think I've got it right. His mouth like starts on the yellow. Okay, we're good, we're good, we're good. And now fins? No.
Oh, and I need these little nostrils.
Okay.
Boop, boop. Okay, and then they kind of go in. Is this right? Uh-oh,
okay.
It's too much icing.
Too much icing, but that's okay. We can clean that up.
No, wait. We've got a little face on there.
Okay, do we do the fins now?
Yeah, let's put the top fin, and then we need the side fins, and then the tail fin.
Okay, we're here? You think here?
Perfect.
There we go.
There. I'll do a side one.
You do side one.
Okay, straight in the middle. Okay, we got this. Like this.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Right on the yellow.
In. Boom. And then just put that in the back, right here.
Right here.
Just like up a little yellow. Yeah.
Here we go.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
Donald, give it a spin.
Go.
Give it a spin.
Oh
no, his little fin fell off.
Oh no.
Finding Nemo.
He's the Finding Nemo of baby sharks. I love it.
Donald.
Yes.
This is looking so cute. Will you help me make the rest of the shark family?
Do you mean Grandma Shark, Grandpa Shark, Daddy Shark, Mommy Shark, Baby Shark?
All of them.
There's no sister shark, is there?
No.
No, we can make a sister shark too. Let's do this. Ta-da!
Here are the baby shark cakes that we made today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I got so many requests to do this. For all of these cakes that we made, making them the different family members was really, really easy. Instead of frosting the top yellow, we just frosted blue, kind of a peach color, pink, and green, and then with fondant added a few extra details. Like Grandma Shark has some little glasses.
Can we just
Mama
point
Shark,
out
lashes.
that Grandpa Shark looks a lot like a family member.
May look like my dad, Papa Pizza.
He totally looks like Papa Pizza.
Yes, oh my gosh, let me know in the
got
comments
the
below.
mustache.
Internet, I love you. Can you please do a side-by-side of my dad and Grandpa Shark?
Nothing happening over here. Nothing's happening. We're fine. We're just going to take this one over here.
Yes,
Thanks, Rose.
okay.
Bye.
Bye, you guys. And a big thank you to my friend Donald and baby Noah. Again, I'm going to be putting Donald's links down below, so go check him out, subscribe, and show him some love. I'm going to put the recipe to this cake down below, so if you'd like to make this cake yourself for a themed birthday party or a baby party, you will have all the tools you need. And please also let me know which nerdy nummies you'd like to see me make next. All right, thanks again, you guys. Bye-bye.
Bye, guys. Now we get to sing the end bit. It's the end, do-do-do-do-do. It's the end, do-do-do-do-do. It's the end, do-do-do-do-do. It's the end.